like getting some goldfish.
You feel like getting some what?
Goldfish.
Because of that kitty chef thing?
Yeah.
I want goldfish now.
I don't have any goldfish.
Oh, what's up?
I don't know. Gravity.
What about it?
It goes down when it's up. I have a lot of posters. I have TV. I have a flashlight. I have your phone. I have these curtains right here. I still have a flashlight. Again. I dropped a flashlight. I fell. Oh. I hit my tailbone. You're sitting there instead. Just
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Alright, your minute passed.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
It's only been 2 seconds. You're missing your face. You're still missing your face. There you go.
Go. Get up. Oh, shit. It's almost fell. It sucks if I fell with this.
Oh, tailbone hurt. Tailbone hurt.
See, I'm smart. I stay away
Hey,
from
you
it.
see how it feels. Push. Push again. Push off. Push off. Push off. Push off. Push off. How's that feel, little Miss Smarty Pants? It's been a minute. Oh, shit. Run!